Assalamualaikum. General Mathematics for class 9th, exercise 1.4, question number 8. Aslam bought 8.5 kg and 3.25 kg of rice from two different stores. If first store charged him rupees 603.5 and the second gave him a bill of rupees 234, which store was comparatively cheaper? We have to solve this ratio. Solution. Now we have 8.5 kg rice. Price is 603.5. This is equal to 603.5 divided by 8.5. 603.5. 603.5 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 divided by 85. This cancel each other and we have 6035 divided by 85. We divide both sides by 5. On rough side we solve it. 85 divided by 5, we have 5 ones are 5, 3 remaining, and 5 sevens are 35, and next we have 6035 whole divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens are 35. So we have 1207 whole divided by 17. Next we observe that in second store 3.25 kg rice price is 234. It means 234 divided by 3.25. We solve it, multiplied by 100 divided by 325. We write 100 by removing this decimal point. 100 multiplied by 234, we have 23,400 whole divided by 325. On rough side we solve it. 23400 whole divided by 5 fours are 20, 5 6 are 30, 5 eights are 40. So we have 4680 divided by 325 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. So we have 65 here. In next step we again divided both sides of this fraction by 5. 4680 divided by 5. 5 nines are 45. 5 3s are 15 and 5 6 are 30. And next we have here 65. We divide this 65 with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So we have here 45 divided by 936 divided by 13. We divide this 936 divided by 13. 13 multiplied by 7. 7 threes are 21. 7 ones are 7. 8 9 91. And next we have 91, and next we have 26. 13 multiplied by 2 is equal to 26. So we have answer here 26, 72. First store, ratio second. First store we have 72, ratio 71, ratio 72. First store we have 71 and second store we have 72. We divide this 1207 by 17. 1207 by 17. 17 multiplied by 7. 49. 7 ones are 7. 8 9 10 11. So we have 1 and 17. Next we have thus the first store price is less.